Sushi has become a favorite food around the world. Its blend of fresh fish, soft rice, crispy seaweed makes it both delicious and beautiful. People love sushi because it's light, healthy, and fun to eat. You can mix and match many flavors and colors, making every sushi meal special. The good news is you don't have to visit a fancy restaurant to enjoy sushi. You can make it right in your own kitchen. Homemade sushi is easy, and you can choose your favorite fillings. Plus, you'll impress your family and friends with your new cooking skills. It's also a chance to be creative, trying out different shapes, tastes, and decorations. Even beginners can make sushi that looks and tastes amazing with just a little practice. So, are you ready to become a sushi chef at home? Let's get started by gathering everything you need and getting dressed like a real pro. Before you start, let's gather all the ingredients for classic sushi. You'll need sushi rice, short-grain Japanese rice, rice vinegar, sugar, salt, nori, seaweed sheets. Common fillings include fresh salmon, tuna, cooked shrimp, avocado, cucumber, carrots, sweet egg omelet, tamago. Don't forget soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi for serving. To look and feel like a real sushi chef, dress the part. Wear a clean chef cap to keep your hair out of the way. Put on a white or light-colored chef's uniform or apron to protect your clothes. Most importantly, use food-safe gloves. Gloves keep your hands clean and help you shape the rice neatly. Place all your ingredients on a clean, large table. Set out your cutting board, sharp knife, bamboo rolling mat, bowl for water, bowl for vinegar, rice paddle, wooden spoon. First, rinse 2 cups of sushi rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This step removes extra starch, making the rice less sticky. Cook the rice in a rice cooker, or cook on the stove with 2½ cups of water. When the rice is done, let it sit for about 10 minutes to steam. Next, make the sushi vinegar. Measure 1/4 cup rice vinegar. Measure 2 tablespoons sugar. Measure 1 teaspoon salt, then mix until dissolved. Gently spread the hot rice in a big bowl, or spread it in a wooden tub. Pour the vinegar mixture over the rice. Fold the rice with a rice paddle. Use a fan to cool it quickly. This gives the rice its shiny look and special flavor. While the rice cools, prepare your fillings. Slice fresh fish into thin strips. Cut cucumber into long, thin pieces. Cut carrots into long, thin pieces. Cut avocado into long, thin pieces. For tamago, make a sweet omelet. Cut the tamago into strips. Arrange all your fillings in colorful rows on a plate for easy grabbing. With your rice seasoned and your fillings ready, you're all set to start rolling sushi that looks as good as it tastes. Lay a sheet of nori on your bamboo rolling mat, shiny side down. Wet your gloved hands in a bowl of water and grab a handful of sushi rice. Gently spread the rice over the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip at the top. Arrange your colorful fillings, like salmon, cucumber, avocado. Using the bamboo mat, carefully roll the sushi away from you, pressing gently but firmly. When you reach the empty strip of nori, wet it with a little water and seal the roll. Let the roll sit for a minute so it holds its shape. Repeat with different fillings for variety. With a sharp, wet knife, cut the roll into bite-sized pieces. Wipe the blade after each cut for clean slices. Arrange your sushi on a plate, mixing colors and toppings for a beautiful look. Add a side of pickled ginger, wasabi, a small bowl of soy sauce for dipping. Gather your family or friends around the table and enjoy your homemade sushi together. Share stories, compare your rolls, and celebrate your new skills. Making sushi at home is not just easy. It's fun, tasty, and a wonderful way to bring people together.